Welcome back. Opening scene. The Porsche 356, an iconic piece of automotive history, holds a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world. This car, introduced in the late 1940s, marks the birth of the Porsche brand and set the tone for all the groundbreaking models that would follow. Designed by Ferdinand Butzi Porsche, the 356 was a revolution in terms of both design and engineering. With its lightweight body, rear engine layout, and sleek, aerodynamic curves, the 356 offered a combination of performance and style that was unmatched at the time. When Porsche first unveiled the 356, it was available in both coupe and cabriolet body styles, and over the years, various updates were made, including changes to the engine and body design. Initially powered by a 1.1-liter, air-cooled flat-4 engine, the 356 was quick and nimble, offering an engaging driving experience. As Porsche continued to refine the model, larger engines were introduced, including the 1.6-liter and the later 2.0-liter versions. This increase in power, combined with the car's lightweight frame, made the 356 a true driver's car. One of the most distinctive features of the 356 is its styling. The car's smooth, rounded lines, coupled with the iconic round headlights, make it instantly recognizable. The 356's design was influenced by Porsche's earlier racing cars and combined performance with an elegant simplicity that was ahead of its time. What truly sets the Porsche 356 apart, however, is its legacy. Not only did it serve as a foundation for the development of Porsche's future models, such as the 911, but it also solidified the brand's reputation for high-quality, high-performance vehicles. The 356 became a symbol of precision engineering, and it remains one of the most coveted classics among collectors today. Owning a Porsche 356 is a dream for many car enthusiasts, not only for the joy of driving but also for its historical significance. Whether you're behind the wheel of an early 356 or a later model, the experience is one that combines nostalgia with pure driving pleasure. The Porsche 356 is not just a car, it's a piece of automotive history that continues to inspire and captivate enthusiasts worldwide.